All right, so today we're looking at the Doux Mousse Def. I picked this up from Target. I think it was about $16. It might have been $14, $14 or $16. It's a texture foam. It says all-in-one styler for all hair types, detangles, conditions, defines, shines in one step. And you're supposed to apply a generous amount to clean hair from root to tip. No oil, no leave-in, no nothing. So I didn't do any of that. I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like and then come back and tell you what I think about it. It says you can use this for wash and goes, twist styles, TWAs, rod sets, braids, pixies, finger waves, so all types of stuff. Wash day in half the time, a one-step detangler that conditions, detangles, and defines every curl type and dries quickly with a flexible hold, brilliant shine, and no crunch or flaking. Apply generous amounts of clean hair from root to ends, shingle, rake, or comb through the sections according to your desired style. Air dry, hood dry, or diffuse completely before separating curls. So I basically used it on soaking wet hair right after I washed it, and just in kind of bigger sections. And this is how it turned out. So I love it. I didn't put any leave-in conditioner, no oil, no nothing. So just straight from rinsing out the conditioner, I put this on a fairly generous amount on each section because my hair does tend to frizz up. But yo, I like it. I like it. It's going in my rotation for sure. The smell is great. It's like it's not that strong of a smell. So if you're smell sensitive, you might want to smell it before you use it. But like, I can't smell anything on my hair now, and it's the following day. And it wasn't like really strong. How some hair products, the scent is really, really strong when you put it on there. It's not like that. You can smell it, but it's not like super strong or anything. So. Which you can see it is a little bit frizzy up here, but my hair typically does that almost no matter what I do, unless I like slather gel on it. It's gonna be a little bit more fluffy in the front right there. But, I think it's... So, all right, leave a comment below if you like this style of video. If you'd like to see more, you can leave suggestions, comments. Anything else you'd like to see from me? I don't only do hair. Like, I'm a mom of two, and I'm a wife, and I live in Florida, and so, you know, there's more things I could talk about, but I'm kind of unsure as to what to talk about because I just don't know really. But any suggestions, leave below, and I'll see if it kind of fits with what I would like to. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.